also, I'm going to be replacing all 4 of my engine mounts. They're brand new from Honda. They're OEM parts. So I will be replacing those as well. Okay, good people, I'm showing you, look at how much room and access you have to the engine bay once you remove the air box. Look how much room you get, right? It's crazy, huh? And the battery. So I've got four engine mounts. I'm going to be replacing all 4 of my engine mounts. This is the right passenger engine mount, and then this one over here, this one right here is the left passenger engine mount, right below the power steering pump and the power steering reserve. So those are going to be replaced as well. Okay, you could see it different angle here. Once I pull it out, you'll be able to see better. But okay, so the engine mount, the battery and the air take are out. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take out my I'm going to remove my throttle body. That's the next thing I'm getting ready to do. So after I remove the throttle body, you guys got to work with me because I'm working my camera at the same time that I'm talking. So this is the throttle body, which is here. Okay. I'm getting ready to take off the plastic here, and I'm going to remove my my lock for my hood. I'm getting ready to remove these here in a second. And then I'm going to remove this part first, and then I'll remove everything else from my throttle body. But that's coming out next because I have a brand new throttle body I'm going to be replacing. All right, as we continue, let's get busy. All right, so now it's time to remove the plastic guard. So let's see. That's what I'm going to do here and get my tools. Let's see. And also, make sure you buy extra. These little extra plastic from Amazon, they sell them. I'll show them to you. Okay, here are the extra pins that I bought from Amazon. They're 20 in a pack. I bought 2 packages of them, and they're just extra clips. Okay, because you're gonna break them. There's no way around it. I've watched too many YouTube videos where they got broken. So just keep extra, and that way you don't have to worry about breaking them. You can just replace them. All the ones I'm going to take out now, I'm gonna toss them, and I'll replace them with new ones. All right, let's get it done. I have a whole week off from work. I retire in 2 years. Well, less than 2 years, actually, 2027. I'm going to retire. I'll be 62 years of age. So I'm taking this week off to take my time to replace all my parts on my vehicle that need to be replaced. And I'm real excited about it. Like I said, I did the research back in from March or April when I bought my SUV. And YouTube videos are very inspirational, very inspiring, and very good. A lot of good DIYers on YouTube. So that's what's up. But like I said, I retire in less than 2 years, and just very excited. I'm very, very excited about being retired. And I live in the state of Colorado, so all I'm going to do is travel the United States in my SUV. I'm getting it right, so when I do retire, to be my everyday driver. And like I said, can't beat it. When I bought it, 180,000 miles. It now has I only put 3,000 miles on it over the last 5 months. So, yeah. It's going good, man. It is going good. Okay. So we're removing the plastic. Like I said, I don't care that I'm breaking them because I'm going to replace them anyway. You didn't see me take off my splash guard. I had already taken that off earlier. I didn't record it, but you'll see me put it back on. Oh, that one fell. Okay, I got one more. Guys, make sure you wear protective eyewear, even if you don't wear glasses like me, because these plastic things can pop out and get you in the eye. You don't want those type of issues. Okay, that top broke off. Let me see. Okay, so the front grille and that top splash came off. It's a good thing. I'm gonna have so much access to my the parts I'm gonna replace. Like when I replace the knock sensor and the starter, I'm gonna do it from the top. I've seen a bunch of YouTube videos where it's very difficult to do it from the bottom. So by taking out my the manifold here, it's going to give me direct access, and then all my pulleys that'll all be gone. My throttle body, that'll be out. So okay, I'm trying to figure out what I want to do, how I'm going to do this, because let's see. Like I said, I get to take my time, and I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna make sure that I audit my video. So 5 to 10 minutes on each, what I'm doing. So it's all good. Okay, so let's see. All right, so let me remove. Let me see if that's a 9 or 10. See if that's a 10 or a 12 millimeter, I'm not sure. Okay, that's a 10. Which is good. This is the rest of the air take. Okay. Okay, that's out. I'm all about having room, y'all. I've watched enough YouTube videos to know what will happen if you don't have enough room to access removing parts. Okay, so there's one. And where's that other? Okay, so let's see. Okay, I could take these off. I don't need these anymore. So I'm going to show you something real quick. So this is the transmission fluid right here. Transmission fluid, which is good, and the transmission itself. This is a solenoid sensor. I'm going to be replacing these probably in the next few months. You've got this one here, and then you have the other one here. Just right here. It's a 3-prong. So this is a 1-prong, and this one's a 3-prong. And I'm going to be replacing those in the next couple months. But the engine's looking good now.